Hello, welcome to the Miracle Choice game. And at this point, we're going to show you how to comfortably start a game and what to expect when you start. And you'll see here the big yellow button that says Start Game. And we're on today's date. And you'll see on today's date a little one there. So that means I've got one game today. And if I go and click on the 30th, I've got another game on the 30th starting at 8 p.m. But back to today. Now, if I click on this button and the game hasn't been started by my coach or facilitator, then I'm going to get this signal now, and it tells me I'm too early. So normally the coach or facilitator will start the game 5 minutes before the game, but if I get this message that you haven't started the game yet, I'm just going to wait here, and this screen will automatically change when the coach or facilitator has started the game. But if I want to go back to the other screen, I go up here to the top left in these three symbols, and I go to games, and it'll take me back to this page here. What I'm going to do now is pause, and I'm going to come back when I've started this game. Okay, so I've started this game as a facilitator. I'm going to click again as a player, and I'm going to wait for the game board to load up. And there's my playing piece whizzing round to settle here on a random space on the outer circle. If I hover over, I see my name there. If there was other players with me, they'd be listed here in the top left, and they would have different colored pieces, and they'd be on the playing board as well. But just to give you an example of what to expect, I'm just showing you this screen that you will be going into when the game starts. At the same time, you will also be communicating with your facilitator using audio. So it might be FaceTime you're using, WhatsApp, or just the audio on a Zoom call. And so your facilitator will be guiding you and welcoming the other players. And your facilitator will obviously guide you to enter in your reason for playing the game. Let's put it in here, maybe say next steps. And your facilitator will be guiding you how to use these buttons in the bottom here, which I'll not go into now. But what I'm just doing is really giving you an idea of what to expect and the fun bit of it. And we're going to be rolling the dice now. Just click on the dice, it rolls, and your playing piece will move. And if it lands on the blue spaces with the miracle spaces, it'll move automatically inside. On any space, the cards will come up automatically. And here we have on the miracle space, we've got 40 cards. They're shuffled. And that means if I press on the first one here, it's unlikely I'm going to get the number 1 because they're a shuffled pack, and the number 40 is unlikely to be here. So let me just click on any space. Any card does matter on the top or bottom, but let's go for the bottom one, and I get the number 22. So my facilitator is going to help me work with this card, and when I'm finished, I'll press the dice again. I'm going to move one more space just to give you an idea what's happening here. And I get to a choice space. I'm going to select a choice card, and there's my choice card. And on the bottom here, I can see my cards building up. I can click on my cards, and I can see my previous card. Click OK to go back. And that really is an introduction to how to play, what to expect when you play the game, and how to start a game. And I'm sure you're looking forward to starting, and just keep an eye for when your game is about to start, and then you can join it. So thank you very much for using this app. Thank you.